guys, this is Jeremy with Rough and Ready Outdoors, and I'm going to do a pattern test today with a new 410 that I purchased this year. Pretty excited. I've never turkey hunted with a 410, and I kind of got into the addiction. It's kind of starting to grow. But what I have is the Mossberg SA.410. I'm running the Vortex Venom red dot. 10 minutes ago we got her dialed in. And I'm shooting Foxtrot Ammo, the 383, 385. Actually, let me see what yeah, 383. Foxtrot Ammo, 383, 9.5, 3-inch shell. We're gonna pattern it with the sumtoy. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Not really sure how to pronounce it, but I got this off of a guy the other day. I heard good things about it with the SA.410, so we're gonna put it to the test today, see what happens. All right, so here we go. It's Mossberg SA.410 with the sumtoy choke, shooting the Foxtrot 9.5s, 20 yards. We're gonna start at 20 and work our way back 20, 30, 40. Let me know when you're ready.
We're rolling.
That's about where I was aiming too, right kind of at the wattles. Let's go look at it. Of course. So that's 20 yards. I wonder if I should move with that ammo. It looks like I might need to, because I was aiming right about here. I wonder if I should move a little to the right.
Right.
Adjust it a little right.
Up maybe just a hair.
Maybe just a hair up.
All in all, at 20 yards where it's at, that's a dead turkey.
Yeah, and overall the 10-inch circle, that's a pretty good pattern. I just need to move this over to the right a little bit. It'd be money. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
That's a dead turkey right there.
All right, so we shot first at 20, and really good pattern. Obviously, it better have a good pattern at 20. My red dot was a little to the left. We did a couple adjustments, shot a couple more times, and we should have it pretty dang close. Now we're back at 30, and let's see how she does. yards. Mossberg SA.410 Foxtrot 9.5 ammo. All right, here we go. Go look at her. Hey, that's just a smidge high. Well, I say it is. I kind of like it like that. I kind of like how I don't like a bunch in the body, but maybe it's smarter to have some in the body. I don't know. But that's still a dead bird. $30 yards. Wonder if I should go a tick down. I don't know.
Well, the main group of the middle is right there in the head, in the brain.
Yeah.
Notice how that's the closest group?
Yeah. And I was aimed right about in here.
Okay, so yeah, I might.
So if I aim a little lower, you know, if I aim here at the wattles a little lower, I think it'd still be money shot. Back at 40, I'll aim lower. The farther back I get, maybe the lower I'll bring it.
You have to tell that spreading out more with that 410. I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's still,
20
I mean,
BBs in the head. That's
pretty killer. All right, let's do 40. Shot at 30 yards. Now we're back at 40. This will be the last one. I kind of wanted to just do a 20, 30, 40. This is 40 yards. Again, Mossberg SA.410 with the Foxtrot 383 stroker 9.5. I don't know if you can see that. And let's see how she shoots. All right, let me know when you're ready. Ready?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
All right. See, that time at 40 yards, I was aimed right here, and that's still 40 yards for a 410. That's killer. Look at all those in that 10-inch circle. Wow,
It's a dead turkey.
that's unbelievable. A 410, and if I'd have aimed lower at 30, it'd look better than that. It'd look better than what it did. Because now look, there ain't near as many up here,
Oh yeah.
and way more right in here. That's awesome. Sweet. That's legit. I think I'd shoot one at 40.
That'd be a dead turkey right there.
That's right. That was our last distance, 40 yards. 20 yards, no brainer, dead turkey. 30 yards was a really good pattern. I was still aimed a little high. If I'd have brought it down a little bit, it'd been way better. And then I dropped my aiming spot at 40, and that was awesome. That's a good pattern. God, that's amazing that 410 ammo does that at 40 yards. That's crazy. But I'll let y'all be the judge. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe. We'll be dropping some turkey. We're actually dropping turkey episodes right now. We'll be dropping them all the way up for the next part. 2 or 3 weeks, 3 or 4 weeks. I can't remember how many I have left. But hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit that subscribe button. And we're actually going to get Dustin's Remington 870. He hadn't patterned his, so we're going to send a few shells, different brand shells through it, and see which one's patterned the best. And then I'm going to shoot my Super Black Eagle 2 just to make sure the red dot's still on. I like to at least shoot it every year before turkey season to make sure something didn't happen to it in the off season. But thanks for watching, and good luck this turkey season.